Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Hacoo app. You will click on settings. Here you will go to settings like this in this first page. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you are scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again.